Jutta family. This is the other baby that's just been rescued. Again, defleed, deticked, dewormed, and now it's bath time. He's young, he wants to be near people, he cries if we are away from him. He's very sweet again. They're loving that, aren't they? It's hot and they have cool water. A nice bath. Oh, he looks like he's never had a bath before. He's enjoying it though, because he hasn't tried to escape. How sweet.
Yeah. Yeah.
And I'm sure, look, the griffons are watching. The griffons are, oh, is he buff? Uh-oh, is he me?
Okay.
Yeah, and Yanni gets a bath too. Sweetheart. Thank you very much, Jutta family, for your support. Yay, bath for Joe. Thank you, Jutta family. Bye-bye for now.
Bye.